Electric cargo bikes tackle the biggest challenges in urban deliveries, from speed and efficiency to improving working conditions and supporting human-friendly city spaces. As online shopping grows, so do the number of double-parked delivery vans blocking traffic in cities and adding carbon emissions into the air. It is more than important to reduce CO2 emissions worldwide. Electric cargo bikes could very well solve all these problems. Mastretta launches tilting e-cargo trikes, one capable of towing 200 kilograms. Mexican firm says the MX3 rides like a two-wheeler. Mexican firm, Mastretta Bikes, has released a series of e-cargo trikes, which incorporate a leaning mechanism and suspension into the front end. The MX3 e-cargo bikes are said to provide a ride that feels more like a two-wheeled e-bike, but with the added stability provided by a third wheel. Mastretta launched its tilting MX3 trike a while back and has clearly been working on a cargo version for quite a while. The Mastretta has now released 4 different cargo models based around its central design. These range from the Cargo 40C, which can handle up to 40 kilograms of cargo, to the Cargo 200 remolque, which can tow up to 200 kilograms. The MX3 Cargo 40C uses a 250W hub motor, while the others sport 500W Bafang mid-drive units. The Cargo 40 and Cargo 60 come with either a 360Wh or 720Wh battery, while the two larger trikes, the Cargo 80 and Cargo 200 remolque, offer either 720Wh or 1440Wh. The bikes are designed so that the motor and battery are placed in the lowest position. This improves maneuverability and responsiveness. The Cargo 40 and 60 are broadly similar in appearance, while the Cargo 80 is a long-tail design. The 200 remolque is rather more striking in that it comes as a tractor-trailer setup. There seem to be a few ways of configuring it as well. What we don't yet know is the price of any of these. A Portland manufacturing company is confident that a pedal-assisted, light electric vehicle can play a big role in the future of urban delivery. Silver Eagle Manufacturing in Northeast Portland has carved out space in their large factory for a 3-wheeled cargo trike that can haul up to 400 pounds and runs on 2 legs and 2 lithium-ion batteries. At just 48 inches wide, the trike is fully bike lane legal. That means a rider can haul its 60 cubic foot cargo box around the city without worrying about congestion. Silver Eagle has purchased a U.S. rights to produce and sell the Movr, which was developed by Riedel, a company based in Germany. The Movr weighs nearly 300 pounds, and with its stout aluminum frame it rides more like a tiny truck than a large trike. In addition to 2 independent hub motors on the rear wheels, the Movr has a throttle, turn signals, and even a reverse mode. Speed tops out at 15 miles per hour and at $18,000, box included. Some customers might want to take advantage of the 55 square feet of advertising space on the box's side to recoup some of their investment. Sortimo broaden horizons to commercial e-cargo bikes. Sortimo is a German manufacturer of storage systems integrated into car and van bodies, the kind of thing you see in use every day by tradesmen and other skilled workers who need to carry a range of spares and tools and need to be well organized with a range of limited stock and mobile. They have now branched out into electric cargo bikes in a collaborative process with HNF Heisenberg. The front axle of the Sortimo CT1 is specially designed, improving its maneuverability drastically. This bike is only 785 mm wide, and the rider has the permission to park it anywhere without fear of being towed or getting a fine. The starting price of the base model is close to €5,900. GLEAM team is formed by specialists from various fields who have set themselves the goal of creating tailor-made, high-quality solutions for their customers in the field of urban mobility. If you want to join us in making cities more sustainable, we think you are a new superhero. Taking a different approach to both cargo placement and wheel lean, the GLEAM Escape uses a full suspension design that works in parallel with their dynamic tilt technology to keep your cargo level over bumps and steady in the turns. The two 20-inch rear wheels sit on independent arms that move in opposite directions as you turn, creating a natural lean just like you'd feel on a standard bike. They're both suspended too, so they can further move with bumps, whether leaning into a turn or cruising straight. The cargo platform uses slats to provide lash points to secure your cargo, and they offer custom cargo containers that click into them and make the most of the usable space. Total payload capacity is 200 kilograms, including rider, but it can also pull a trailer if you need to move stuff. It's a Class 1 e-bike, powered by a Bosch Performance CX250W motor leading to an envious cargo automatic internally geared hub. Individual belts then drive each rear wheel. The front wheel is 27.53 with a suspension fork and near full fender coverage. Base price is €6,995 plus tax, with various cargo and other upgrades available, including a dual battery system that uses two 500Wh Bosch batteries. As e-bikes continue to grow in popularity, strong sales are encouraging designers to branch out with ever more specific use designs that excel at certain tasks. The Stroke Cargo Trike, by Japanese design company Envision, is a nice option should you be in the market for something more than a simple e-bike for commuting. The Stroke has a minimal footprint and is no wider than the handlebars of a conventional bicycle, and unlike many other cargo bikes with attached storage baskets located at the front or rear, it houses a large enclosed trunk in the middle of the bike, surrounded by the frame, making it more stable as the cargo weight increases. The Stroke's trunk is also removable, which allows the rider to take on the go like a large rolling suitcase. Each trike also features the game-changing tilting design that provides a thrilling riding experience. It actually leans into turns just like a standard two-wheeled bicycle, while you fly effortless through the city with heavy loads. The Stroke Cargo Trike is an electric three-wheeler for its mid-section storage area provides a balanced ride, and its front independent suspension leans into turns. It can carry up to 60 kilograms of cargo and has a range up to 150 kilometers in its eco mode. Reference price of $2,800. Swedish Velove is a cargo bike with fuel cell with a 300 kilometers range. The Velove Armadillo is a high-capacity cargo bike that is narrow, agile and fast enough to be used on bike lanes with great ergonomics, and that is a pleasure to ride. The Armadillo is a four-wheeled electric bicycles with at the front the driver's seat and at the rear the transport box on a sort of rack on which they ride. The Velove Armadillo e-cargo bike is available in 4-wheel for one transport box or 6-wheel for 2 transport boxes versions. Designed to endure everyday, heavy-duty use. The Armadillo is not only looks great and is super smooth to ride, it also gives higher productivity in last-mile delivery and fits better on bike paths. Somebody called it a mix of go-kart, bike and van, which we think pretty much nails it. The bike alone weighs 67 kilograms, but with its battery and transport boxes it reaches 350 kilograms. Despite its large dimensions, this machine has a turning radius of 5.8 meters. The vehicle is equipped with hydraulic and mechanical brakes, the latter being used for parking. The 250-watt pedelec electric motor can accelerate up to 25 kilometers per hour. The transport boxes are located behind the driver's seat. This allows the delivery person to have a clear view of the road. The transport boxes have a volume of 1 cubic meter and can hold up to 80 small parcels, but of course it all depends on what you call the parcel. The transport boxes and the bike can be locked by radio. This protects them against theft and vandalism, considering the price of such a bike, which is around €8,000. The Dutch bicycle brand Urban Arrow has reinvented the cargo bike. Fresh, sporty new design combined with light, safe and comfortable materials. While the rear part corresponds to a bicycle, the cargo tricycle is equipped with durable car wheels and double hydraulic disc brakes at the front. Access all urban areas with 1,300 liters of volume. The Tender's 3-wheel base combines cycling technology with insights from the automotive industry, making it agile and guaranteeing maximum strength and stability. With effectively no fuel costs, no tax or emissions, the Tender is an ultra-low-cost alternative to running a van in any city. Able to carry up to 2 pallets, there's no compromise on space. The 250W Bosch cargo line motor is one of the highest-powered motors Bosch produces, giving a huge amount of assistance. With 75 Nm of torque, it conquers hills like no other motor can. All Tender models come with a 3-wheel base and dual hydraulic disc brake technology on the front frame. These brakes allow for quick, and safe stopping of the massive cargo volume you can transport with this beast. The wheel suspension ensures you'll always have a smooth ride, no matter the weight. Price of €11,999.